This is Max Williams with United Real Estate today. I'm in Midlothian, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. This home is located here towards the end of a cul-de-sac. And typically when we look at homes in a subdivision like this, we can generally assume that the lot is going to be about a quarter, maybe a third of an acre. Surprisingly, this home is situated on almost 3 full acres. And you can see here in the front, it's very typical of a cul-de-sac lot. Think of a slice of pizza, and you know I love my food analogies, but the very tip of that slice is the very front here towards the cul-de-sac, and then it goes out towards the rear and gets wider and wider where you would have the crust. This one, of course, is very conservative here in the front, but in the back it is very wide. As I mentioned, almost 3 full acres, so very atypical of a subdivision lot. Special thanks to Diana Lemus and the Lemus Group for allowing me to come and bring this beautiful home to you. We do have a detached garage here. We're going to take a look at it. Here, I love the blue. This blue just kind of makes a statement, and I think they did a good job here with the color selection. We do have a utility closet here that's going to have our water heater. We're going to peek in. This will give you a little additional storage. If there were some items that you didn't want in the garage, you could put just a few items here. That's our electric water heater. Appears to be brand new. And a little additional storage. Our electrical box there, and even a little storage shelf up top. So really neat additional space there. We're going to go back now to our detached garage. Earlier today, I was looking at the MLS. That's the database that all realtors use, and there were a few homes that were offered by a new builder here, and they offered what we call a land lease. And basically, a land lease means that you are buying the improvements, you're buying the house, but there's a 99-year lease on the land, and you were paying the seller for that. And on this one, I believe it was over $300. It depends, of course, on the price of the home. And these homes were typically $350,000 to $500,000 range. And the way that they were promoting this is that you could buy a home with a lower down payment and lower monthly payments because you don't own the land. And I didn't study the program very closely, but initially I have some apprehension for a couple reasons. Number one, even though it's a place to live, you are making the biggest investment typically of your life. So when it's time to sell, you don't want anything getting in the way of a potential buyer saying yes when it comes time to consider your home. Anything that's not traditional sometimes can be a challenge. So I'm apprehensive about that. Secondly, you could end up paying this home off, but still be stuck with a lot lease payment in addition to taxes and insurance. And when you add those things up, that comes out to be a nice chunk of money, even though you've actually paid off the improvements. So not quite a fan yet. I wanted to bring that idea, that concept to you, because I want you guys to be the best informed consumers here in Central Virginia. I'll give you more information as I look into the program a little bit more and see if it makes sense for me, or if it even might make sense for you. The down payment aspect of getting in with a lower down payment really is not that big of a factor for me or my previous clients, because we've got several programs where we can get you in for 0 down. We've got first-time buyer programs. We also have USDA programs, veterans if you're eligible. There are a bunch of programs out there to get you in with minimal or no down payment even. So that's not that big of a draw for many individuals. As you are aware, if you have been watching for any amount of time, last year with your support, I was able to clinch the #1 Realtor in Richmond slot for the Richmond Times-Dispatch. The program or the contest is going on now through the 28th of July. And I'll put the link down in the comment sections. They do allow daily voting, and I definitely would appreciate your support. Once I have the text to vote information, I'm also going to put that down as well. If you've got 4-year-olds or 10-year-olds with their own phone, you can of course use their phones and put them to good use as opposed to just simply using them to play games. Your votes would be appreciated. All right, let's go on in and take a look. You can see we've got fresh mulch down. The That blue really pops. I know I said that before, but I like something that's a little different. Okay, as we come in, our kitchen is here to the left. We've got a nice granite countertop, backsplash. Directly to the rear is, of course, our family room. And we've got 2 bedrooms actually on the first floor. Our first bedroom is right here to the right. Once again, new carpet, new paint, crown molding. Our closet is here in the corner. So if this was not needed as a bedroom, this of course could be repurposed as a home office. You of course could have the office here and then close the door for privacy. Here to the right is our bedroom wing with our other bedroom and our full bath. This is laundry closet here. You would simply have a front load and you put one on top of the other, or you could do a stack unit, unit that is basically washer and dryer together in one chassis. So those are both options here in this home. Our 3/4 bath, newly renovated. This is going to be bedroom number 2. This one is going to be larger than the first one that we saw. We've got a nice sized closet there. All of these bedrooms have great natural light. I really like the fact that they are all nice and bright. Once again, new carpet, new paint here throughout. These wood floors look very good as well. Here in our kitchen, I love that look of the quartz, and it picks up nicely the accent here with the light blue, light gray, and white in the backsplash. Of course, all the appliances do convey. This home does have recessed lights, as you can see, pendant lighting here over the counter. Here underneath the counter, we've got a nice overhang. You could probably get about 4 or 5, actually 5 bar stools under there with no problem. This is a great floor plan for entertaining. We have the rear staircase. A lot of people like that because you're not greeted by a staircase as soon as you hit the front door. And our wood burning fireplace is right there. We've got nice tile here around this, and then they did a contrasting tile here on the floor. So very good execution. We're gonna pop out back here, take a look at our back deck. It is oversized and it is brand new. So the vast majority of this lot is wooded. We still have a nice open area. So if you wanted to take some of those trees down back there, you could. Of course, our 1-car detached garage that we've already taken a look at, and plenty of windows here at our family room area. The home does have a dimensional roof. Appears to be in great condition. And let's go on back in and take a look here at our second level. One of the things about today's market is our rates have dipped a little bit. So if you were on the fence, we had that little rate hike and a lot of people got spooked by that, but rates have dropped a little bit. This may be a great time to consider going ahead and making that move. If you have any questions about the process, that's what I'm here for. It can be a pretty daunting process if you don't know what to expect. My whole philosophy is you want to present everything about the process up front so someone can move forward with that confidence. Of course, I'm with you every step of the way, and we make it a simple and a fun process. Buying a house, you are committing a lot of money, and if you're going to spend money, you might as well enjoy it. So I try to make the process as enjoyable and pleasant as possible. Okay, this is going to be bedroom number 4. We've got great size here. Adult furniture in here would be no problem. 3 windows in this bedroom. Very well appointed, and our closet right here. Now, we see that little hump there. The reason for that hump is there is a stairwell on the other side of that hump. So they had to accommodate that stairwell, and we see that fairly often in upstairs bedrooms. So that's the reason why it's got that unusual configuration. All right, this was a really nice looking rehab. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and most importantly, vote. The voting information is below. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.